Welcome back to infyGyan, my dear friends. In this video, we have another very interesting question from radical maths. We have to evaluate 8th root of 47 plus 21 is square root 5 over 2. So let's get started by considering this expression equal to x first. I can write x must be positive. Now I will raise both sides power 8. So I can write here power 8. This side also power 8. Now 8th root and power 8 will be over. So I can write x power 8 will be 47 plus 21 square root 5 divided by 2. Now I will consider y power 8 also, which will be equal to 47 minus 21 square root 5 divided by 2. 2 points we can write from here. Y should be greater than 0, and because of x positive, y positive, xy will be positive. Another observation we can write, x should be greater than y. So two important results which we will use, x greater than y and xy positive. Now I will add these two equations. I can write x power 8 plus y power 8. It would be equal to 47 by 2 plus 47 by 2, which will give us x power 8 plus y power 8, 47. This I will call equation 1. Let us consider product between these two. So I can write x power 8 times y power 8 equal to 47 plus 21 square root 5 divided by 2 times 47 minus 21 square root 5 divided by 2. Now I can see it is a plus b times a minus b written in the numerator. In this place we can write a square minus b square. So I will write 47 whole square minus 21 square root 5 whole square, and denominator will be 2 times 2, 4. Now 47 whole square is 2209 and 441 times 5, 2205 divided by 4, which will be equal to 4 over 4. Left hand side we have xy whole power 8. Once I will consider 8th root, I can write xy will be equal to plus minus 1. But xy should be positive only. As x is positive, y is positive. So I will reject this minus. So xy will be equal to plus 1. And this I will call equation number 2. So our first equation was x power 8 plus y power 8 equal to 47. And second equation, xy equal to 1. So from second equation I can write y will be equal to 1 over x. So I can write x power 8 plus 1 over x power 8. This value we will apply here equal to 47. Now I will add 2 to both sides. So I will write x power 8 plus 1 over x power 8 plus 2 equal to 47 plus 2, which will be equal to 49. Now left hand side can I write x power 4 whole square as x power 8, and here also I will write x power 4 whole square, and plus 2 I can write 2 times x power 4 times 1 over x power 4. Right hand side is 49. Now this is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So I can write left hand side, it is x power 4 plus 1 over x power 4 whole square. And right hand side, it is 7 whole square. After taking a square root, we will get, let me write here, we will get x power 4 plus 1 over x power 4 equal to plus and minus 7. Now sum of even powers cannot be negative for real solutions. So we can reject this minus sign. So I can write x power 4 plus 1 over x power 4 will be equal to 7. Again I will add 2 to both sides. X power 4 plus 1 over x power 4 plus 2. And right hand side will be 7 plus 2, which will be equal to 9. So from these three terms, we can write again one perfect square of x square plus 1 over x square. And 9 can be written as 3 square. After taking a square root, I can write x square plus 1 over x square. This will be equal to plus and minus 3. But this minus sign we will reject it because of sum of two squares cannot be negative for real solutions. So I can write x square plus 1 over x square. This will be equal to 3. Let me write here x square plus 1 over x square equal to 3. Now I will add 2 to both sides. So x square plus 1 over x square plus 2 equal to 3 plus 2, 5. Now left hand side is x plus 1 over x whole square equal to, I can write this is root 5 whole square. Consider square root both sides. So x plus 1 over x equal to root 5. Minus sign will be rejected. Sum of two positive numbers will be positive. So this is very important result. Now we have to calculate x. Let us multiply both sides by x. So x square plus 1 equal to root 5x, or x square minus root 5x plus 1 equal to 0. This is one quadratic equation. Let's use quadratic formula. So I will write x square minus root 5x plus 1 equal to 0. So x will be equal to minus b. So square root 5 plus minus under the root. B square means square root 5 whole square. So 5 minus 4ac divided by 2a. So this value will be root 5 plus minus square root 1 is 1 over 2. So two values we are getting. Let me write here root 5 plus 1 over 2, root 5 minus 1 over 2. Now you can see both values are positive. So I will calculate the value of y. Our relation was xy equal to 1. This was our equation. So y can be written as 1 over x. So I will write here y value. It will be equal to 1 over x. Okay, let's find out. So I will write 1 over root 5 plus 1 over 2. Now I will rationalize. Here also I will write 1 over root 5 minus 1 over 2. So I will rationalize our denominator. Result will come out. It would be root 5 minus 1 over 2, and here I will be writing root 5 plus 1 over 2. This is y. So let me write here. See, for x equal to root 5 plus 1 over 2, our y is root 5 minus 1 over 2. For x is equal to root 5 minus 1 over 2, y is root 5 plus 1 over 2. Now if you will see this xy combination, then x is smaller than y. So on this ground, we will reject. And here we are getting x greater than y. So we will accept x equal to root 5 plus 1 over 2. So my answer will be root 5 plus 1 over 2. And this brings the end of the video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe friends. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.